This is three-way fire hydrant system, and today I will be taking you through the operation of fire hydrant system. So first of all, I am gonna tell you about its parts details, what are its parts and what is the function of this fire hydrant system. So as you can see on the screen, this one is landing valve and this one is outlet valve. It's called outlet valve and it is used by firefighter person. So these are the all parts of this fire hydrant system, and as you can see there is two control valve of a landing valve. We can control the water flow by this control valve. As we will open the valve, the water flow would be coming from the landing valve. So this is the function of this control valve, and this one is landing valve adapter. Inside the adapter you will find a gasket which is used to prevent leakage. If gasket would be missing, then leakage could be happen. So that is the reason we use gasket to prevent the water leakage. So this is the function of this fire hydrant and landing valve. Now I will show you how to operate this landing valve. So you have to just rotate this valve slowly, and as you rotate this valve, water would come as you rotate this valve. So as you can see, the water is coming in full pressure. This is the function of this landing valve. And now I will operate another landing valve. Same like that, you have to rotate this valve slowly. As you rotate this valve, the water would come in full pressure. As you can see, the water is coming in full pressure. So this is the function of this landing valve, and you can prevent the fire by using this landing valve. So this is the function of landing valve. Now you must have come to know that how we operate the fire hydrant system. Apart from this, if you have any doubt, you can ask by commenting. I will be answer you. And if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and do comments.